Hey, welcome to my short and to the point review of the Helium 10 software. After watching this video, you are going to understand what is the Helium 10 software and is it good for you, for your situation and for your Amazon business or not at all. So hopefully after you finish watching, you understand, do you want to invest in it and use it or not at all, and you just pass. So let's start the video right now. So how is the video going to be built? First, I'd like to talk to you, seems to be most popular question, about the pricing of Helium 10. So I'll quickly show you this page of which packages are available. Not gonna dive straight and too deep inside this because it's a short and to the point review. I'll leave the link down in the description for the pricing page for you. But I'm just gonna explain to you which package is usually good and for whom. And then we're gonna go through the tools here on the left. I'm gonna explain to you what they are and how they benefit you. I've been using Helium 10 since late 2017, still actively using it, and I would like to help you with this video to see if it's for you or not. So let's start. So first, the Helium 10 pricing page. Now look, there are a few options for Helium 10. There are 5 actually. Free account, starter, platinum, diamond, and elite. 5. Now, I'll tell you what, for the free account, I have a link down in the description that's gonna provide you with a free account, with a free trial, with no credit card. So you don't need to use your credit card, no need to sign up. Well, you need to sign up for Helium 10, but you don't need to input your credit card. You can use it freely and enjoy. But that's gonna be an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with Helium 10, I'm gonna get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. But in this way, you'll be able to support my free content. I really appreciate that. My name is Vova. It's nice to meet you. A seller on Amazon since late 16 actually. Over 250 videos for you on this channel. So let's go. So free plan is the first one. Then we have starter, platinum, diamond. Look, for most sellers and even for beginners, I would recommend the platinum because it covers everything for beginners at least that you need. Product research, keyword research, listing optimization, market research, and many more things. Okay, if you click on the link down in the description to the pricing page, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see exactly what's included. We're gonna go through the tools in a bit, but with platinum, you pretty much get everything for a beginner Amazon seller to cover all the things that you need. If you're a bit bigger, right? You have the diamond plan. I'm currently on the diamond plan, and this just gives you more options available inside Helium 10 itself and more usage of the same tools. For example, as you can see here, index checker is 150 uses. Now it's 300 uses with the diamond because you need to do more things, more activity for your products. And hence you just need more things. And with diamond, that's the most good plan, I would say, for bigger sellers. Of course, there's elite as well, which also has higher tier plan with live expert training with really big sellers. I've never been a part of the elite, but some people are. It's not the cheapest thing, but there it is. Also, there are coupon codes, and coupon codes such as VOVA50 can help you save 50% off on Helium 10, right? As you can see here for your first month, or VOVA10 helps you save 10% off. So in my opinion, for beginners, go with a platinum package. Now let's go to Helium 10. What's inside Helium 10? Look, first we have product research tools such as Blackbox, Trendster, and My List. With product research, you'll be able to find products to sell on Amazon with the Helium 10 software. Now look, as I mentioned, it's a short and to the point review. If you need more in-depth tutorials for the Helium 10, you have all of my tutorials playlist down in the description. Over 75 tutorials for Helium 10 that show you in a step-by-step manner how to use almost each part here of Helium 10, right? So click down there. Also, I'm gonna leave a video down there as a full tutorial of Helium 10, 50 minutes tutorial where I show you more in depth how to use these tools. So product research first, Helium 10 is gonna help you find products with Blackbox, Trendster, and My List. You can save your products as well. With Blackbox, you'll be able to pull specific products. I'm gonna show you here from the Helium 10 kind of catalog of products that they have. They pull it from Amazon. It's like millions upon millions of products. And from this, you can pull specific products and see them and see if they're good for you or not. There's tons of criteria here. I show how to use it in other videos. Trendster is gonna show you different trends of products. So you can see if the niche is going down or up. Usually you would like to find niches that are going up and not dying, right? For example, maybe printers are dying now, but I'm in the barbecue niche and it's going up every year. It's crazy. Not an easy niche, very competitive, but still we're surviving and doing our best. Next thing is listing optimization. Helium 10 is gonna help you optimize your listing with different tools. I have a full free course here on YouTube down in the description. Helium 10 listing optimization course I coded. And there I show you how to find the best keywords for listing, how to optimize your listing. It's a full A to Z course, free course, no upsells. It has gotten over 5,000 students on Udemy as well. I have it on Udemy. And we've gotten over, I think, 4,000 views here on YouTube for this course and 4.5 star rating on Udemy. So I believe it's pretty good for you. Down in the description, link there is going to show you how to use all these tools. Frankenstein to process keywords that you find. So you're going to find different keywords with Helium 10, with the keyword research that we're going to talk in a bit about. But also with the Frankenstein, you'll be able to process them and kind of clean the junk. With Scribbles, you'll be able to build your listing inside Scribbles. I'm going to show it to you quickly here. So Scribbles, inside you insert all the keywords that you have and you build your listing inside it. All the phrases are going to be on the left here that you find. For example, kitchen knife, big knife, right? You're going to have all these phrases here, and then from them you can build your listing. And for example, you type in kitchen knife here, right? And you're going to see it in your title. It's going to be deleted here on the left. It really helps you build your listing in a good way. Pretty cool thing. Index checker is going to help you see if you're indexed or on Amazon. That means if you have a listing that has a kitchen knife and you are indexed for it, that means you are showing in the search. If you're not indexed for it, that means that you're not indexed. If you're not showing the search, the index checker is going to show you which keywords are indexing. Sometimes you will not index because of restricted keywords, category problems, and a bunch of other stuff. I talk about that in that free course. So Scribbles helps you optimize your listing. Index checker helps you see if you're indexed or not. The listing analyzer helps you kind of analyze listings that you have or other people have, see how well they're analyzed. By the way, in each part of Helium 10, you have this learn button here, right? In the learn button, you'll be able to meet Bradley Sutton, which is a pretty much Helium 10 star and the star in the space of Amazon. He is gonna show you how to use these tools, right, and what they're all about. So for example, for listing analyzer here, he's gonna talk about this and show you the tool itself, what it is all about. He's much more pro than me on Amazon, so I do recommend you watching his videos. So that's listing analyzer. I'm really going quick. I wanted to make it short and to the point. So audience is the next thing. What you can do here is you can, for example, take your picture and take another picture that you have for your main picture and ask, for example, 50 different people with detailed responses what they prefer. That's really cool because you can improve your pictures. For example, you're sure that this picture is awesome and your photographer is the best and this one is also great, but which one of them is better for the real audience? So here you can create this in post, pretty cool. Next one is analytics. You can track your keywords here with keyword tracker. So for example, you have some keywords, kitchen knife, big knife, small knife, huge knife, like universally big knife or something. So you can track them and see which positions they're on. First page, second position, fifth page, 34th position. This way you can track competition keywords and your keywords. If you're promoting a keyword, you can understand, is it going up or down? Pretty good thing, very good thing actually. Market tracker, one of my favorite tools. I have this also in one of my tutorials. It shows you the tracker, the market actually, of any specific market. So for example, if you have a market of kitchen knives, you can see how much of the pie of this market is this specific product taking and how much is this specific product taking and who has more market share, what's your market share. This really helps you understand the market in depth, and you can also track markets where you're not even there, just new markets you want to get inside, you want to see how the competition changes, who are the new competitors that are ending. Very strong tool. Would recommend you checking out my tutorial as well in that playlist. I have very nice tutorial, also gotten over I think 2,000 views. Very good like to dislike ratio. Profits is going to help you track profits of your kind of business, really helps. And you can see different profits of this product, how much you lost on this product in terms of maybe you did some giveaways and you spent 1,000 that, you put it in the expenses tab here, and you can see different things about your profitability. Very good tool, because then you can see if you're actually profitable or not. The one by Amazon itself is not the best in my opinion inside Amazon. So you need extra tools for that. Profits can help you with this. And then we have keyword research. So we have different tools like Sellerboard and Magnet that I also show you how to use them in that free course, link in the description. Will help you find the best keywords for your product so you'll be relevant, and you can, with Sellerboard, for example, take keywords from your competition, from the competition that's already selling well, take them to your listing, add them to your listing, and take them from all the best competitors and then add them to your listing. So you'll be ranking in many different and relevant places, and hopefully you, my friend, are going to get a lot of sales and have a great life. Next one is Magnet, is also in the keyword research space, and also they kind of expanded to Walmart now. It's in beta, but hopefully it's going to be in I believe in alpha, right? That's bigger than beta, right? It's better than beta. You want to be in alpha in life as a dude, or you know what I mean. But anyway, Magnet and Sellerboard here for keyword research. Misspelling error to see which kind of mistakes are inside different keywords. So for example, there might be a keyword like kitchen knife, but somebody forgets to add E inside knife, so kitchen knife. And that might still be a relevant keyword that people search for. There's less competition on it. So if you have it in your listing, you can get many more sales, and it's easier to rank there because it's not a popular keyword, but people are still making the mistake. The spelling error might help you find these mistakes. Your list of keywords here, right? That's another thing. Learning, Helium 10 can help you with learning. So there's a free course that used to be $997, but you get it for free with Helium 10. That's called Freedom Ticket. That's an in-depth course by Kevin King, which is also a pretty big star in the Amazon community, and he is course owner, and now he gives this course for free if you join Helium 10. In-depth course, I believe over 30 hours. I have a Freedom Ticket review on my channel as well. You'll find it in the list of Helium 10 tutorials. Pro training, in-depth video tutorials, as I showed you, for every part of Helium 10. So if you're not sure how to use Helium 10 and you're like, Vova, I don't like your course, so hopefully you will. It's free here on YouTube, as I mentioned, no upsell. So then you can, and I do recommend you watching Bradley's videos as well. So Academy is like a course for beginners that you can use as well. And to just start with the software without getting anything, it's free course for the beginning. You need to invest in Helium 10 in order to get Freedom Ticket, but Academy is free for everyone. Next one is operations. Alta, you can get some money from Helium 10. Never used that, but they can help you grow your business. Alerts can help you see if you have any new activity on your listing, if you're like getting some changes in your category or changes in the size of your product. Inventory Protector is going to help you with mainly without making bad decisions with coupons. Sometimes you can like create a coupon on Amazon not right, and people are going to grab it and share it, and you're going to lose all your stock. So Inventory Protector is going to help you with that. Refund Genie is a great tool. Also have a video for that, where you can get money from Amazon that they lost products or they kind of broke your products. They will give you money for that, and it's going to really help you to create the right kind of messages and cases for Amazon to do that quickly. Follow Up is going to help you, as you can see down here, with automatic emails to customers that bought from you, so you can get more reviews as well. There's an automatic review tool inside Follow Up as well to get more reviews. Pretty cool. Of course, the marketing, you have Atomic, which is like an advertising platform. You can improve your PPC and have it in one place and not on site Amazon itself. It's going to help you be more kind of use your PPC in a bit better and easier way. My partner is using PPC on Amazon. He's in charge of that, so he's more knowledgeable, but Atomic is a platform that can help you with that. Portals can help you build landing pages. So for example, if somebody scans your code on your insert card inside your product, you can like have an instructions card that says, hey, get a free ebook here, get a free warranty here. They scan it and they can get to your landing page where you can take their email, so you can later on market new products to them and stuff like that. Pretty cool. And of course, there is the Chrome extension as well that is available by Helium 10 that can help you and kind of go through products and see all the data on a given product page. Very useful, very popular tool by Helium 10 as well. So this is going to help you also with your product research, understanding niches better and understanding which products are good for you or not. Of course, all these tutorials are available on my playlist of Helium 10 tutorials. And of course, I would like to remind you that I have those coupon codes for you, VOVA50 that gives you 50% off your first month on Helium 10, or VOVA10 that gives you 10% off every month. Also down the description, you're gonna find free Helium 10 account with a free trial to try out without any credit cards. And these are pretty much the tools that are available inside Helium 10. I would recommend you watching in this playlist here all my Helium 10 tutorials. Here is more in depth. It just was a quick review. Hopefully I kept my word. Please like it if I did, dislike it if I didn't, and comment if you have any questions. I wish you an awesome day and I really appreciate your time. Thank you, and I'm gonna see you in my next video here in this playlist. Bye bye.